Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, I'm going to quickly show you how to use Visa gift card on League of Legends. So let's get into the video. So what you can do, you're going to open up your Play Store or your Apple Store. So just open up your Play Store, and then what you're going to do, you're going to go to your account here. So click on your top right here on your account, and then under account you'll see payment and subscriptions option. So click on payment and subscription, and then here what you're going to do, you're going to click on payment methods. So simply click on payment methods, and then when you get to payment methods here, so what you're going to do, you're going to add your Visa gift card. So to do that, you're going to hit on this add credit or debit card option. Simply click on it, and then what you're going to do, you can either scan your card. So hit on the scan option and scan your card, or you can manually enter the details of your Visa gift card and then add this to your account as the payment method. So once this is added as the preferred payment method, so now you can simply open up the game and make any purchases, and those purchases will be through this card that you just added via the Google Play. So that's pretty much it is. Hope this video is helpful to you all. I'll see you in another video. Thank you.